Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find deleted photos on Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application, then click at the collections at the middle bottom and go to the trash. And right here you have all deleted photos. And Google Photos automatically remove it from the trash after 30 days, or if you back up these photos after 60 days. And also you can also remove it, but if you remove photo from the trash or photos, you will delete them permanently, so you cannot restore them anymore. Also, if you not see your photos in the trash, maybe you have it in another, maybe you hide them and you have it in archive or locked folder, so you can check it also here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.